This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable food trays, specifically these Pulp Tech food trays and plastic lids. We have the rectangle white 5-compartment tray. It's 10.5 inches long by 8.5 inches wide. And then you also have the clear plastic dome lids, which you can see also feature those great compartments and some nice headroom. And these are available for purchase separately if desired. The trays themselves are made from repurposed sugarcane pulp, and they're both commercially compostable and biodegradable. They've got those great 5 compartments to help keep your foods separated and organized for a really nice, neat presentation. And you can see you've got those 2 larger spots down at the bottom, great for things like protein and starch, and the 3 smaller ones up at top that are great for side dishes, vegetables, or even a little bit of dessert. The domed lids are going to be fantastic for keeping those trays covered, right? And they also give you that great headroom, and they fit on there nice and securely. So it's going to give you a great cover for your trays, especially if you have to deliver these to maybe rooms or you're offering meals for delivery or to go. They're suitable for use with both hot and cold foods, and the lids are sold separately and can be purchased if desired. They're naturally grease resistant and durable. They can really hold up to heavy meals without bending or breaking. They're perfect for use in cafeterias, on buffet lines, or even for prepared meals. So these are a fantastic option for cafeterias, caterers, food trucks, and a variety of other food establishments looking for an eco-minded alternative to foam containers.